Hello, welcome back. How you doing? How we feeling? Today is another beautiful day. It is Tuesday on this beautiful January 19th, and I am back again with another video for y'all. Alright, so let's get started.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Beside me, I have the Gucci Boston Joy Monogram in brown GG Supreme Canvas weekend / travel bag. Now I had to read that off my notes because it's a long ass name for a bag, but it's okay because I got y'all. I've actually owned this bag for about 2 months now, and I think it's time I do a review because this bag is pre-owned, pre-loved, and you know, you can never go wrong with pre-loved, and I'm gonna tell you why. I have not seen a lot of reviews on this bag specifically. I've seen so many other Gucci Boston bags, but specifically this one, I wanted to see a review before I purchased, and I didn't really see one that I could really rely on because no one really talks about this bag. And it's understandable because this is a vintage bag and you can never go wrong with going vintage. I love vintage. I adore it. It's absolutely amazing, the quality that it still retains from all these years. It's just really great, and you can never go wrong with pre-loved if the person has taken care of this bag for decades, like literally. I'm gonna be looking at my notes. It has one interior pocket, obviously double rolled leather handles. The closure and opening has a single zip closure. And also this features gold hardware, which I love, and it's still in pretty great condition. Okay, let's go on to the pros. Number one, this bag is very spacious. Okay, now let me open this up for you, and I'm gonna take you inside my bag. Okay, in here, as you can see, I have an organizer. I wish the organizer fit a little bit better to where it wasn't really like drooping down to the sides. Like, it works perfectly for stuff that I need to, you know, organize, obviously. But the real reason I brought an organizer for my bag was mainly because I don't want to mess up the bag. You know, it's vintage, it's pre-loved, and it has some age to it. So I need to keep it in its best condition as I can. Best way to do that is to get yourself an organizer. Now, what I have in my organizer is my face mask. I also have my gum that I just have to carry everywhere. Okay, now I don't have my wallet in here because I have not been using this as an everyday bag. Actually, I have been using my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag as an everyday bag. I also have a scrunchie. I have one on my wrist. You know, a girl's always got to be prepared. You never know. And I also have this strap that I actually pulled off of another bag that I have. It's a Steve Madden bag. And I thought it would be really cool just to experiment and see if this bag would be good for a crossbody or a shoulder bag. And you can wash the canvas with damp cloth and mild soap, meaning a soap that is not going to really strip away its oils, and is not too harsh, obviously. And also they recommend that you do not wash the leather trimmings because, you know, as you can see, I'm gonna insert some clips, but there is slight wear on the trimming where, you know, the leather isn't as shiny as the rest of the leather because it looks like smudge marks basically. And really what you want to do is take care of the bag, right? So you don't want to wash the leather. Basically, if you want to clean the leather, I suggest you get a leather cleaner, or you go to someone who's professional and can clean the entire bag for you, and you won't have to worry about that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that strap I brought out earlier and I'm gonna hook it up to the bag and show you how you can wear it if you do decide. How it looks as a shoulder bag, as a crossbody. Hopefully y'all can see me. Okay. This strap is adjustable, so if I wanted to make it a little looser, if I wanted to, you know, make it a little tighter around my body, I can do that. This is my baby. So really, I guess another pro would be that this could be versatile if you want it to be. It could be a handbag, it could be a shoulder bag, as I showed you. It is just family. It could be your family, all right? I love this bag and I do not see me getting rid of it anytime soon. Also want to show you. If you like this video, please join my family and subscribe. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up because it really does help me out. I love y'all so much for sticking around for this long. Please don't forget to join the family. Have a blessed new year.